everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Toilevator was an excellent solution for the renovation of our bathroom. Our toilet was not high enough for the special needs of our family, and this Toilevator was such an easy and simple solution that created such an impact for our family. So we just got the Toilevator and had our plumber install it. It matches the color of the toilet and it's very subtle. I find it not very noticeable, and it was compatible to use when our family member was using a walker and eventually when we needed to use a stand assist to transfer them to the toilet. This Toilevator was a simple solution to a big problem, and that's my point of view.